Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and though gin and tonics are fun to drink, it's really important to try this Tooth and Gum Tonic by Dental Herb Company. I use this because I make my own toothpaste. So I use it as a base of regular toothpaste with fluoride, coconut oil, clove oil, a few other ingredients, and I make sure I put some of this. The reason why this is so good is that it's made from all natural ingredients, a bunch of essential oils that are designed to fight bacteria in your mouth, to help with bleeding gums, with inflamed gums. It helps to fight against many diseases that can come up in your mouth. It's everything anyone would want with their tooth health. So this is a definite must-have, and that's my point of view.